Hey everyone, check this out. So imagine you're cooking at home and suddenly your gas runs out. Especially on a Sunday or holiday when you can't buy a new one. This can be really annoying, right? And all because you don't know how much gas you have left. Well, now you'll never have this problem again. I'm gonna give you a pretty simple tip so you can know how much gas you have left. This way, you'll never be caught off guard again. So, let's go. And it's actually really simple. First, get a pot or container and add some water. You don't need a lot. Just a little more? Okay, that'll do the job. Once you've done that, let's bring it to the stove and heat it up. But don't let it boil, alright? We just need to warm up the water a little bit. So here, it's been about 2 minutes already. You can test it by putting your finger in the water, and when you can't keep your finger in anymore, we can turn off the heat. Now I'll show you how to do this. Alright folks, now it's pretty simple. Take the warm water we just heated up, keep in mind it's not boiling water though, just warm water. And then go ahead and pour this water over the gas cylinder. Once you've done that, use the palm of your hand to fill it, like so. Here it's still warm. Alright, right here. From this line downward, it's cold. Which means that I know now that my gas level is exactly here. And that's because the content inside the cylinder is always cold. So by doing this, you can precisely know how much gas you have left. It's a simple and very useful tip to avoid major problems and surprises. And most importantly, with this tip, as soon as you buy a new gas cylinder, you can check if it's full or not. Because unfortunately, there are some gas distribution companies out there that don't sell the gas cylinders completely filled. And that's why sometimes we notice a big difference. You buy from one company, it lasts around 3 months. Then, buying it from another company, it lasts 4 to 5 months. And that's exactly why. Because unfortunately, some companies don't sell completely filled gas cylinders. So, when you get yourself a new cylinder, try this tip with warm water. If you notice that the cylinder isn't full, you can complain about it and they'll have to replace it. Alright everyone, so that's it. A pretty simple and very useful tip.